Serene Parker here at Serene Vocal Studio, and today I'm excited to talk to you about practicing and how to structure your practicing. Practicing sometimes feels like something that's difficult to grasp, so we're going to break it down today. 4 easy steps. Got it? Step 1, you are going to start with a breathing exercise. The breathing exercise is to help you bring that breath nice and low into your body. Breathing is important, just like in yoga. So that's step 1, breathing. Step 2, do a vocal exercise or a few. Maybe 2 or 3. Those are helpful depending on what your regimen is for your vocal exercises. But vocal exercises help connect the breath, the deep breathing that you just worked on with your voice. Making sure that when you sing something easy like dee 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 as a really easy, that you're breathing correctly every time you take a breath. So if you sing on a new, breathe low, Now, why else do we do vocal exercises? It was connect breath, but also to create the space within your mouth. A lot of times when we talk with our jaw really close together and kind of clenched if we're mad. And we don't, unless you're in theater, you don't have a lot of practice with opening your mouth and getting really, really animated. People who have done theater have done animation and have worked on overreacting with all of the things they say and do, but most people don't have that experience. So vocal exercises also help with the feeling of openness in your mouth. It just feels different, so you have to work on that openness. One of the other reasons why you do a vocal exercise is for your vocal placement. Now, vocal placement is a little bit more advanced, but basically placement has to do with what kind of a sound you're producing, whether you're producing a very swallowed sound like, "Hi, my name is Bob," or something very forward like, "Hi, my name is Bob," right? Vocal exercises help you become aware of where you're placing your voice when you sing, because different songs will call for different placements. Step 3, you should review a song that you know so well to remind yourself why you love to sing and that you're actually better at it than you thought you were. So, one of your go-to songs that you've been singing a long time, something that makes you smile and happy inside. Step 4, you look at your new songs. But you don't look at the entire song, you look at the problem spots first. If it has like a trill or something interesting in it that has a lot of moving notes, or just a spot with a really crazy interval that you have to work on, that was a crazy interval. That's a big interval. Then you need to work on those specific things. So you want to drill those things and really lean into the hard spots. They're not super fun, which is why you did step 3. Sing a song all the way through that you know and love and can sing well. And then you go into step 4, and that's when you work on those little things. You don't have to work on it for an hour. You can work on it for like 5 to 10 minutes. 15 would be amazing. And then kind of break out from there. But don't just go and sing the whole song and say, "I practiced," right? That doesn't fly. Follow these 4 steps and you will see improvements in your voice much faster than if you just blaze through and just sing your song all the way through and that's it. You don't really warm up, you don't really work on your breathing, you don't become mindful about what is going on with your vocal instrument, which is in voice, your body. Super important. So find that connection, practice these 4 steps, and you are going to go a long way, my friend. I'll see you next time. Bye.